Hello, how are you? I am back again and my hair looks dreadful, so I'm going to turn this camera around very quickly, but I thought I'd quickly show you my Hermes scarf knotting cards. So these are amazing if you have a Hermes scarf or any other designer scarf and you want some inspiration on how to wear it. So I'm going to show you the cards and then I'm just going to highlight a couple of them that I think are really cool. And if you do want to see any more, just let me know and I can, I don't know, send you a photo of it, or I can do another video or whatever. And if you see one that you like, just screenshot it from the video and then you can refer to it later. Okay, let's turn it around and I'll show you. So this is the box the cards come in. And I think I have them all, but there might be a couple more that got lost along the way. But there's loads of different ways to wear a Hermes scarf. This one's a cute little top. This one's a handbag. That top looks really chic. And here it is being worn as a skirt. But there's also loads of inspiration on how to wear it around your neck. I really like this one. I'm going to show you the back so you can see how to do it. So this one you basically knot into your knotted shirt. So if you want to have a look at this later, just screenshot it. I might show you how to do this one next, which is a really cute one shoulder top, perfect for holidays. So that one you can see that you fold almost in half diagonally and then you drape it over your shoulder and do a knot. And then you do a knot at the back and then you do a knot on the side. And yeah, I think it looks really cute. It's so chic. This is also a really fun way to wear it as a top. Oh, so that's clever. You fold it in half diagonally, you do a knot, which you tie around your neck at the back, and then you tie the longer half around your waist. So just screenshot that and you'll be able to recreate it. This is really simple and really effective, but I just wanted to show it to you because I think it's easily forgotten that you can wear a scarf like this. It's of course very simple to do as well. I really like a Hermes scarf worn in the hair like this. I just think it's very cool. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. It's called the Pirate, which I love. This one is also really cute because you can see that you kind of make it into a bun at the bottom. Feel free to screenshot it. And then this is a really simple but classic way to wear it, but I really like the way it's knotted. And you can see it's all about the way that you fold the tie out. Then I'm just going to show you this one quickly because this one actually uses two scarves. So basically you get two scarves, knot them together, and then you fold it behind you. And it just looks really cool. I really like this one. And of course, they've used the same scarf twice, but you could use two different scarves so that you get a really interesting mismatch of prints. And then did I show you the bag? Because if not, I'm going to show it to you again. So again, screenshot it, but you just fold it in half and then fold it in half again and bada boom, you've got a bag. I would say though, don't carry anything too heavy in it because you don't want to destroy the silk. So there are so many ways to wear a Hermes scarf, but if you want any more photos or you want any tutorials, let me know and I will try and do them. If you want to buy these cards, they are quite hard to find. You will probably have to buy them on the pre-loved market. I think I paid about £40 or £50 for them. I think they are worth it. They are really lovely and beautiful. But I also wanted to give people the option of having the tutorials without buying the cards. So if you want to look chic like her, make sure you re-watch the video and screenshot anything you want. By the way, how cute is this with a simple outfit? I love it. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.